get hungry. Stripe not up in the youth them belly.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Emmanuel Vlog TV. I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Clive Emmanuel, aka T the Emmanuel. Say that. Alright, my people, we're back again. Yeah. Remember, it's your boy Clive Emmanuel, aka T the Emmanuel. To always check my channel out, because I always try to have something very interesting for my people, for those who support me and for those who don't even support me, because there has to be a reason for me not getting supportance from you. But the thing is, I still respect and give you thanks for your kind participation. Even though some of you know I ain't mad. You know I say something. Yeah, but at about time now, I'm moving to Kitchener. No, what them call Falkland. The Mega Mart there and thing. Yeah, I come from mechanic. Check out that little thing where I go on the chocolate body or the filter. But I guess it was the filter they wanted to get the blow out a little bit and they could spray up, you know. Because everybody want to wear them cologne, you know. So the filter want for cologne. Yeah man, but one of them things there, you know. Yeah, we just stop, just brake a bit, just to let this little boy go across and they play ball and the ball go across the road. So you know you have to protect them still, because it's a part of protection. Yeah, and there's a project going on right here. As you can see, this was a roundabout, but they are trying. Not trying, the intention is to cut out some of the roundabouts and make this into a highway from the Howard Cook Highway straight onto the Fairfield and Bogue Road Highway for Fairfield Lane. Yeah, so I drive in a Kitchener complex. That's right about on the right hand side. Reach them stand there. So at the stadium, Kitchener Stadium, over on the right hand side of the video, or probably the viewers will probably think of it on the left hand side. But anyway, it don't really matter. Yeah, so I take my time and go and head home and home for the same. I can get a little sit up a bit, because I'm morning. After 9, when they are the body shop, as me tell you, say, one man running on the bus and make a little damage, not major, but it could be worse, because it was a head-on thing, you know. But by God's grace and mercy and His protection, I had the knowledge to swing away from it, and still going to hit me down by not my door, but a part of the passenger's door, heading out to the back of the bus on my right hand side. Yes, so still in Kitchener, moving on with the old train line, you know, we're across the old train line, you know. As we said, them have a project going on the Kitchener. Some of you might have known, might have heard about it. You know, instead of cut out the roundabout, all you saw them places that cut out, because they want a straight road that leads to this light, this traffic light, and go straight across, like what I'm doing. Fairfield Road, Vista Print, Active Home Center, and all them things there, you know. Just remember, it's your boy Clive Emmanuel, aka Tina Emmanuel. I'd like for you to bear it in mind to always subscribe on my YouTube channel, which is Clive Emmanuel. Sorry, I messed up on that one. Emmanuel Vlogs TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm about passing Joe Witter now, heading towards the bridge that I've once showcased before it reached to this point, where probably in the next month or so we will not be driving on the side anymore, we'll be driving underneath. Then man, make a splash, man. Splash, man. No, catch my face still, but it kept coming on the car. Anyway, so I'm gonna turn on now from the main road, turning on up towards Granville. A potato hilltop. Turning on up to Granville. Still on the Granville main road. Just on the left hand side of my left hand side is a place called Day-O Plantation. And you can see a sign mark Granville. Welcome to Granville. Fairfield. Original scheme, but it's not really the government scheme, it's a private scheme. Some of you diasporas from Granville area should have remembered that. On the right hand side, I know the old police station was burned down. And I wonder every day why them not give the people a new police station. Spite them, spite the police them. And for what reason would they be spiting them? So there's something that me and you probably not knowing. But rumors go around. And I will be one of them to spread the rumor, I'll be a part of the rumor. So let's keep the mouth quiet on that one then. Yeah, so I'm going to turn up now, reach a Granville Square. And now I'm going to turn up. Turn up on the Granville main road drive, Granville Drive. Inside the Adventist, Seventh-day Adventist Church, Granville, and right beside it is the original Brother Reese Church, Emmanuel Deliverance Center. So we, born and grew up in know, say, Brother Reese Church, no respect to him, late, but he was still a man of honor and respect. Yeah, right about time I stopped right at a tricky place, Winnimac. No, Winnimac, no. Well, you know, I don't remember her name, she passed many years. Yeah, so we stopped right now. My brother, the Super Venture, how I say name, gaming shop to get me a phone card. This so I go and hold up the thing until they come out right in front of me. You know how this Opal, the dumpling man and saltfish and yeah, my brother, and everything. So just go and hold it until we talk again, and just remember to like, share and subscribe if you like my video then, yeah. And I'm eating one, man. I'm playing nice, seeing blessed, up and blessings.